To connect the USB drive into the Samsung A37 5G, in my case I have USB-A drive, so I have to purchase this adapter from USB-A into the USB-C, and now you will have to just plug it in like that. And now in the left upper corner, when you open notifications, you can find this information that USB storage was added. So when you click on it like so, you can just simply find the storage. So now if you want to transfer some data, you can easily do this. So for example, if I'm gonna go for downloads, I can find here some 100 items. I can just simply select those items. Like I can select all of them, or for example, only a few of them. Now I can copy them or move. For me, I'm gonna just copy, like so, and now I'm in the storage of my phone. So I have to go to the internal storage. And let's say I want to put this into the pictures folder, click to copy here. And now as you can see, we successfully transfer files from the USB drive into our Samsung A37 5G.